नमस्ते, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आप जानते हैं कि सरकारी स्कूल के प्लेटफ़ॉर्म पे इंडिया के अलग-अलग पार्ट से हम ऐसे टीचर्स को बुलाते हैं, ऐसे लोगों से रूबरू कराते हैं, जो बहुत ही यूनिक काम कर रहे हैं। एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी टू सी यू Saji sir कि he is working with Navodaya Vidyalaya in Kerala and before starting our conversation, just watch 1 minute video on him.
केरल के अलप्पु स्थित जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय के ड्राइंग शिक्षक श्री साजी कुमार वीएस ने गणित, विज्ञान, सामाजिक अध्ययन, शारीरिक शिक्षा जैसे विषयों और कला में इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी कनेक्शन स्थापित कर साथ ही छात्रों को कला एकत्रित अनुभव भी प्रदान किया। कला के साथ शिक्षा को जोड़ना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि जब बच्चे कोई नई कला सीखते हैं तो वो बहुत खुश होते हैं। इस काम में उनका साथ बहुत जरूरी है। इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने स्कूल की बड़ी-बड़ी दीवारों को अपना कैनवस बनाया और अपने छात्रों में रचनात्मक सोच को प्रोत्साहित किया है। इन्होंने राष्ट्रीय स्तर के कुछ शैक्षणिक संस्थाओं के लिए आर्ट पाठ्यक्रम के विकास में भी योगदान दिया है। श्री साजी कुमार वीएस को बच्चों को परिवर्तनात्मक शिक्षा से परिचित करवाने के लिए राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
सम्मानित किया जाता है।
Fine. Good evening to all.
So,
How are you, sir?
we have just seen your video. What was the first reaction when we heard about you are getting National Teacher Award 2020?
What I should say, because it is a hard work and a teamwork of last 29 years. So whenever I used to talk with my children and staffs and colleagues with some sort of ideas or some sort of practical ways to get into the world of art. So it was a what we can say, it was a teamwork for many occasions, which is ideal to communicate the aesthetics and the way of approach through the art integrated way. So these are my approach. Basically, I focused on the Indian art, and I have a concept that why we are unnecessary following the Western art. Then we have got a lot of rich resources with our country. So first of all, we have to study something about our own art form. Then we can also see the other thing. That is my basic concept. So
Yes. Yeah.
So-
So, who joined just right now? I'm just introducing himself. Saji Kumar ji is working as an art teacher in with Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and right now he's not only integrating art with learning but also converting the mindset of the student. Sir, one more thing I just want to know: who informed you you are getting a National Teacher Award first?
First, Mr. Hari Krishna Arya, who is a very close friend of mine, is a native of Rajasthani. We actually together got the ICT award from 2011 from Delhi.
Uh-huh.
So in that time onwards, we are very close. And
Uh-huh.
I was actually busy with some other work, some video editing and all I was doing the evening time. So very naturally, he got Saji, congratulations. So you won the national. So this is the thing.
Okay.
So
Nice,
through
sir.
friendship only everything is getting. I not much found about the award and all, because whenever I do some work, I used to concentrate something on the work only and its completion only, and not I never worked for any award or never worked for any appreciation. So whatever the work
Yes.
allotted to me, it is a way of dedication till completing that particular work, not for any other mementos or award or any such things. So
बिल्कुल.
naturally, this also happened in that way.
So you are more focused on art thing, not on award. So you are more focused on art, not on award. Uh, can you give us a brief background of your teaching career, especially your association with Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya?
No, initially I joined in 1990s in Andaman
Mhm.
Nicobar Islands. Before
Mhm.
that, I was working as a news photographer in a reputed daily in Kerala, along
Mhm.
with my study center. So when I
Mhm.
entered the field of art education,
Mhm.
the main task, nobody is actually giving any kind of respect to the art. That was the first sign which I received, because it is a subject which is totally left out, and the teacher is supposed to do something, some work for a signboard or something like that. They think in such a way. So that time onwards, I have got some background about the news photography and the sound editing and all these things. So I started doing something with the help of multimedia in the initially, so that it is very easy to communicate with the students. So whenever I used the technology in the art education, the students are more interacted for seeing such a forms, variety of art forms, even the Western arts and Indian art and our own art pieces. So they are so much impressed for that. So I started continuing the same way with a team. A very good team was with me in Andaman. A very good mathematics teacher and a biology teacher and a science teacher. So all they liked the integrated art approaches. So we started a team working from that time onwards. So later I started a transfer from after 6 7 years. I transferred to Minico Island. So Minico Island, there also I studied a little about the island and tried to understand the folk and traditional background of that particular island. The same thing which I have taken in Andaman Nicobar also. So what was happened there? What was the origin of that Andaman Nicobar island? So same way, what was the origin of Minico Island? What was their tradition? What was their way of life? All these things I thought of just focusing in through the art. So the students also and parents also impressed very much, because they want to know something about their own art form, and there was nobody else to focus on that. So I think I got a very good feedback from the parents, from the side of the students, to focus their own art forms. So I managed some of the programs with their traditional background. And first I established the Maliku Art Craft Festival there in the Minikoi. Maliku means it is an old name of Minikoi. It is a Mahal name. It is under the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. So it's a tiny island. It's a total 10-kilometer road, 10 villages, and they have got a very, very vibrant culture. So when I saw the first festival of that island, they used to celebrate only two festivals. That is August 15th, and second one is Independence Day. So when I saw the festival, it was simply record dance like Hindi films, and then I thought, what happened to this island? Because there is nothing to see about their folklore. Then I enquired, simply they replied that they are seeing a lot of things from the film and the serials. So these kind of dances are available there. So the young generation totally fall into the modern type of things. They neglected their own art form. Then I started doing something with for motivating those students into the field of their own art form. So the lava dance, dandiya dance, like that, lot of things. And I conducted a exhibition about their own Maliku art and craft. So naturally it happened very nice welcoming from each and everybody. So that journey is going on still.
Yeah. So actually, you are working with those students who don't have very strong background. Actually,
No, no, that
we all know the students'
uh,
social and economical background of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya.
in Navodaya Vidyalaya, that very well. It is only one Vidyalaya which is representing the entire district, and the students are coming from the various part of that particular district. So they are having different background, and they are not rich also, because the students 70% of the population and that our reservation is given for the rural talented children.
Exactly.
So naturally, the students are coming with the rural background. So rural background means you can identify very well. The background itself is showing they are related to the society, because ordinary life is there, a village life is there, where we can see the humanity more. So I think the city life, we don't have any that interaction with the next neighbor or somebody else. Everybody living with their own four walls. They may be joining with some clubs or pubs somewhere else, hotels. So their life is not that much. What we can say, face-to-face interaction is not available there. So these village children, they are very much what we can say, very very simple and very humble to present their own art forms. So naturally, I try to communicate some little elements about our own art forms. For example, the Kerala mural paintings, it is one of the very vibrant art forms, highly decorative. And so I started talking about Kerala mural painting. So students is very much interested about to understand the decorative forms of that, which is very easy and which is very familiar for them. And like that, folk songs. Every district is having their own folk song. In Kerala, if you consider about Kerala, every district is having its own art forms, its own music, its own tradition. You can, Kathakali, Theyyam, Padayani, like that. Lot of Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, lot of art forms are in Kerala. So everybody is knowing a little about their own art form, and it is totally vibrant with the various culture, various religious backgrounds, and that I never taken that whether they're rich or they're poor, because every student we treated in the same panel, and we have provided the color, we have provided the space, irrespective of their talent. What I want means it should be a teamwork. Everybody can join, whether you know the art, that is a different issue. If you are talented or if you are willing, you come and paint it. Sometimes it may go from the wrong side. So
I think we need more art appreciator also.
that is new, because most of the time when children are coming, sir, I don't have any art sense. Okay, no problem. You can sing a song. Then students, okay, I can sing a song. Then I sing a song, we will record it. Then we will make a CD. We will publish it in the YouTube, or we will publish it some other audio CD form. Then that family and that child is very much boosted because of that particular work. If someone is coming with, okay, I can write a story. Okay, you write a story, and some other students will be helping for illustrating that one, making a cover design and publishing in the assembly. So everybody is placed with their own way. That is what I did, not only to focus their drawing and painting, because the child is coming with a lot of different personality, and it is deep rooted with their own birth. We cannot change it. What I did means just refined it and given the opportunity to flourish with what actually they are. That is what I did, because it is already built
So
in.
no doubt, sir. And when I was going through with the national awardee list and just got information about you, sir, I think that moment I feel ki it's the proudest moment for every art teacher, especially rural government teachers who are using art and craft in their daily life teaching.
Yes.
I think it, this award is not only for you, sir, for everyone who is using art and craft.
I too given the feedback in same way to even my childrens and my colleagues. I have given this thing. It is only an achievements of the success of an art or a teamwork.
Exactly.
Because whenever we worked in the Kerala or in somewhere other state, I have friends in every state, and especially in the art field from 1998 onwards in Navodaya Vidyalaya, we used to work with many people. So I used to give respect to each and everyone, irrespective of their qualification. Whoever is coming with some art thought or an aesthetic concept, I used to give the respect with them, because the art which we cannot teach to somebody else, it is actually built in with everyone. Only thing, someone is going for fine arts in colleges and learning art. Somebody may be going for architectural field or English teacher or mathematics teacher, but they are also having very rich art base as foundation. Like, I am just collecting everyone, and I think this is the result of that teamwork, not to a particular individual.
No doubt,
Even
sir.
my
No
students
doubt.
also telling the same manner. The same way the feedbacks, 99% of the feedback is also like that. It is the result of their own work, their own contribution. Everyone is demanding that it is my work. So I too want the same thing, because it is not the credit to mine. It is a credit for the entire art community and entire society of our country. The art is giving a placement, or art integration is giving a space in the field of education. That is what I understood through this.
Exactly.
It's not for an award to me. It is an award to the art, I think.
Yes. And one teacher who is working in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh,
uh,
Shivali Jaiswal ji, she just wrote ki it is also a respect for our respect of our culture.